Dates are a great way to increase fiber intake in your diet. There are several ways to add dates to your diet. This date sugar is one among them. Hello friends, welcome you back on my channel Simply Trupta with one more simple and today a weight loss recipe, that is oat cookies. For our oat cookies, we will prepare date sugar. Date sugar is a very good substitute of sugar. I will be adding few spoons from this in the following oat recipe. Thus I request you to watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Here I am using pitted dates. You can use any de-seeded dates. We are measuring the amount of dates which I am going to use to prepare date sugar. Minus the weight of parchment paper, these dates are about 321.5 grams, that is about 11 ounce. If you do not want to go through this process, you can also use finely powdered dry dates. Now, we will split these dates in pieces and place it on a baking tray. We will bake these dates for 40 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, that is about 180 degrees Celsius. After you take out the tray from the oven, you will still find it soft. Allow it to cool completely. After it is at room temperature, the dates are hardened. This is when you have to grind it in a mixer. Do it in small batches and grind it for less than a minute. The powdered sugar is ready. You should store the date sugar in an airtight container and keep it in a dry place in order to avoid moisture. This powdered date sugar can be used in many sweet dessert recipes like cookies and cakes. We will again measure the amount of sugar prepared. Using this method, we have prepared 241.5 gram, that is 8.5 ounce of sugar from 321.5 gram, that is 11 ounce of dates. Keep watching this video as we will now prepare healthy oat cookies. These are best for weight loss diet. 1 to 2 cookies eating in the morning can keep you full until lunchtime. I will consider these as best cookies as they do not encourage sugar spikes which occurs due to hunger. Let's get started. Take half cup of rolled oats and grind it coarsely. Now take it out in a bowl. Add some rolled oats to this, about 1 tablespoon. Now take about 10 almonds and 10 cashews and grind these two together. Add this mixture to the bowl. Add salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of oil. I have used vegetable oil. Date sugar 2 tablespoons. And half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix this all together. Here I did not add any baking soda because these low-fat cookies don't spread at all. Prepare these types of cookies as per your diet schedule. Make small balls from the batter and pat it in your palms. Place it on a baking tray and bake on both sides for 8 minutes each at 350 degree Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees centigrade. Our cookies are ready. Allow it to cool completely and then store it in an airtight container. You can also check out my other videos on weight loss diet recipes like papaya soup, radish pancakes and avocado smoothie. Thank you for watching this video and my channel. Hope you have liked it. See you again.